Welcome, everyone.
Quieta, Tuca.
The one true king of the backyard jungle.
Come here. Hey, hey. Oh, crap. Today's not the day to be messing around. Come here. Oh. Come on. Hey, hey. Get back here. There he goes. He's off. He's off. Ugh. Get back here. Get back here. Oh. He put the... boy. He put the 180 tailspin on me.
Bold of you to assume you were ever in control of this situation.
Guys, I'm defeated. Turkey, be quiet. Come here. You gotta go inside, dude. What the
is going on in here? You all hanging out together. Do you want to come on outside, Archie?
The RSVP list said a few
From
friends.
you, have you? That is adorable. That is adorable. Girls.
Bet she wishes she had called in sick.
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off. I don't want her to scratch it.
It's okay.
Viv. Go. Go.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
Oh no, it's not mine. Mine is right there.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you.
No one respects the Oklahoma PD anymore.
That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car.
I'll pull out as soon as you get it off.
This exact fort became a minor UK tourist spot, with people parking just to watch cars misjudge the depth.
Oh my God.
When words don't work, farmers apparently have a backup plan. Poop. Demonstration of how England was knocked out of the World Cup. Tractors, the first autonomous vehicles.
Trailer and bring it back. If you wanted. Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Well,
Mary, just let him go.
let him go. Just
When
let
a
him go.
big girl decides to break out, there ain't nothing gonna stop her.
What he got. So, it'll be alright.
Murphy's Law has a farm address, apparently.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is. and the
Some
eggs
dogs
break,
guard the
so
farm.
try
This one
exactly
just
see what it
vibes.
does.
Well, little Biggie has not had the best day. Seems as if Mama Rosie has accidentally shit on his head.
Biggie did not sign up for this kind of Tuesday.
Sorry, son.
Hey, get this guy in a talent show.
Right. Which one of you was it? Whose is it? Whose is it?
Congratulations! You're a parent now.
Yes, you can.
Excuse me, Tessie Bell.
The chair filed for retirement immediately after this.
You want some help? Come on.
One moment, and things go south on the ranch.
Short one nose.
This chicken has developed an effective protective strategy. How do you recover from this?
Do it!
Just marking its territory. Anger management isn't a farm service, unfortunately. This tractor just unlocked a new sport. And this is why you always load a skid steer facing forward. Allegedly. Should have seen that coming, to be fair.
Any farms out there with jobs going,
let me know. I've just been sacked because I'm a useless farmer.
Okay, maybe don't overload the trailer next time.
It went something like something, don't fill it too full. I think I filled it too full.
Seems like it's the first day on the job.
Are you teasing him?
This wasn't the welcome she envisioned. She couldn't find her calf, so she enlisted the big guns to help.
All right, let me open the gate. Hold up. Yeah, watch it. Come on. Yeah, watch it. Move. Oh, I know darn well.
Feeding time is no joke on this farm.
I know that ain't just happened. Why I know that ain't just happened just now? Boom, about to swing on the cow.
So, these sheep called. Oh, shit.
This would be my last farm day.
How the f did they get out?
New workout, catch the pig or lose your pride.
I can't breathe.
Oh, Piggy got caught.
Yes, this is a real trick, and yes, it's oddly mesmerizing.
Wow.
Dude. So it does work on all chickens.
What if we erase it?
Focus lost immediately, and it's completely understandable. Best pig disguise attempt of the year, and he still failed.
It's just me. It's just me.
Pigs got out. Not these little bastards, the other little bastards. And, I am now... not the pipe. Oh.
This is the part of farming nobody puts in the brochure.
Why are you in there in the first place? Because you're trying to drink stale, stagnant water instead of water trough water. Get out. Now you're on the wrong side.
The guard did its job, but the sheep did not get the memo.
Nope. You're on the wrong side of the fence. Now go out. Yeah, go right there.
Мышиная ферма. Наша
A single pair of mice can produce dozens of offspring in a year under the right conditions. So this checks out.
Выслать бесплатно. Ой. Ё-моё.
Ignoring a horse's warning is a bold choice. Now that's one mishap the farm won't be forgetting in a hurry.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Now that's spectacular acting by Steven. This will be a long incident report.
All right, there, stand back. I want them to come up round there. Oh, stop them, Jamie! No, you idiot! What are you doing?
Moving cows is simple in theory, but wild in practice.
Mum! Mum!
Well, boys, I sent her a little too far.
Precision driving with heavy machinery leaves very little room for error. And this proves it.
Radiator's good.
The worst part of farming? Equipment failure. When the other cows start judging your choices, it's time to reflect.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Venga.
Best GPS on the farm by far.
Ole, qué buena entere, Paquita.
That tractor is telling you it needs to retire. Quad tracks exist specifically to not get stuck, so this is incredible. When a bad day keeps getting worse. Ears back on a llama is basically a red alert siren.
Did it just spit on you? Don't wipe it on me. Don't wipe it on me. Uh-oh. Oh no. What have I done?
Congratulations on your new job. The pay is in wool.
I know you didn't do that.
That's some really questionable decision making right there.
Oh, you're actually stuck, huh? You're like stuck. How did you do this? Why would you do that?
He's not doing nothing.
This is impressive. In a bad way. Now they're playing pranks? Unbelievable.
Chill. Yo, hey. Hey. You're gonna stay right there.
Red crown, white body, black tail. Danger, danger, danger.
What the
Oh my god! Joey!
Goats are known for their curiosity and mischief, often described as the class clowns of the farm.
Oh no!
How did he even get up there?
Oh, Carol, why? You weren't like this earlier. Now you're stuck, Carol. All right, well, let's get her unstuck. Can I put this horn down instead of trying to pull it straight out? But you can get that horn under that. I think we'll be all right. There you go. There you go, Carol. I know. Oh, now you're back. Carol, you can't keep doing this, my guy. Back, straight back, Carol. You got in, so you got to be able to get out.
Yep.
Okay, all right, straight back. How'd she get in?
I don't know. She ended up just pulling herself out last time.
But it was just like that, just pushing it straight back? Yeah,
it's like her jaw.
Her jaw. I know, I feel bad. We gotta figure this out, huh? Dad, we gotta go get a saw and cut it. Yep. Oh, no, Carol. No, Carol. Ralph, you're not helping, buddy. There. Yep. Carol!
This one needed a lot of team cooperation.
There was no need to put your head over here.
Ovdje nešto se promijenilo.
Brate, pa to je firma, nije to sad kiosk. Ovo je prva firma.
And now you have to do double the work.
Radi, normalno da sve ide kako treba.
Da. Bome, trebalo je ovo.
When you think you've seen it all, Novella surprises you.
A shortage of poultry.
Turkeys, the underrated farm comedians.
You really got my.
Should have left this one to the professionals. Ricky's driving instructor needs an instructor. How to ruin your day in 2 seconds. Good luck explaining this one.
Hey, stop. Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is what trying to leave a toxic relationship looks like.
You're not supposed to be in the yard. You're not a dog. How did you get out? Faith. Faith. Come here. Hey.
Shelby, come.
Shelby, come on. Lead the donkey back, Shelby. Faith thinks that Shelby's her best friend or her enemy. We still haven't decided, but wherever Shelby goes, Faith goes. Shelby, go on the pasture and she'll get up. Shelby, go that way, Shelby. Shelby, come. Shelby. Shelby.
We're gonna need more farm hands for this one.
Oh my.
All right. How did your donkey get out, Cassie?
Next up, a donkey turned assistant mechanic.
You need to watch.
I don't think either of them signed up for this.
So weaning 2022 did not get off to a very good start. All the cows broke out of their field through a stock netting fence and through all this post and rail, so we had to replace all of that before we even started on the second day. Here are the cows in the sheds, being an absolute bunch of wank. This calf here decided he was going to attack the bale stack, and just look at this bale. I mean, look at it! Bastard! We finally got all the calves back together. The mothers were not impressed. We got them back in the field, and then they decided to break through the fence for a second time. This guy's just chilling out in the bush. In the end,
Sometimes farming is all about learning new things.
On paper, yeah, I'm fully qualified, like, but in reality, being honest with myself, I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just winging it much.
Whatever the plan was, it's not working.
Has anyone got a clue what they're doing?
The most convincing performance on the farm today. You're only supposed to clean the doors, not smash them. Every time, without fail, the goat wins this fight. Tag, but only one side agreed to play.
Oh, we got him!
Not sure who to blame here. The tree, the tractor, or the driver.
proud of yourself.
Well, someone's having a great time.
Oh my god, I can't.
Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there.